Namaste. This is Sheshagiri, Yoga Master, Sri Guru Raghavendra School of Yoga, Basveshwaranagar, Bangalore, 79, Karnataka, India. I'll teach special exercise for the eyes. Many of my students came out of many eye problems after learning yoga in a sequence, especially yoga for the eyes. There is a statement in Sanskrit, Nayanam Indriya Pradhanam. Nayanam means the eyes. Indriyam means the sense organs. Pradhanam means the best. Eyes are the most essential organ among all the sense organs. Should take care of them. You'll find light in the whole life if you are with the eyes. Means if you are with the vision. So you should take care of them. How do you take care? Should practice yoga daily, especially yoga for the eyes. Yoga for the eyes in yoga is called Trataka. Hint, one should not go for the practice without having the knowledge. One should not practice in half dark or in full dark. Better to consult me if you are undergone for eye surgery. Advantages. This is an essential process for people. Means all kinds of people in society, like students, doctors, engineers, lawyers, housewives, farmers, factory worker, etc. Let us come to the practical process.
Jatrutarātaka Part 1. Blink the eyes with force 10 times. You should apply the pressure on the eye muscles and the opticals. Should not apply the pressure on the face, whole face. Should practice 10 times. Then rub the palms with force. Make your palms like a cup. Rest your fingers on the forehead and palms around the eyes. Bend the trunk front. Rest your elbows on the knee joints. Come up gently. Bring the hands down. Open your eyes with few blinks. Prepare your mind for the first step gauging. Stretch your left hand front in line with the eyes with stretching the thumb outside. Thumbnail should be in line with the eyes. Don't blink. Maintain the vision for 30 seconds. Then bring the hand down. Close your eyes. Rub the palms. Make your palms like a cup, rest it around the eyes. Rest the eyes for a minute. Come up gently. Bring the hands down. Open your eyes with few blinks. Now repeat the same thing with the right hand. Make a fist in your right hand with stretching the thumb outside. Keep your thumbnail in line with the eyes. Look at the nail happily. Take the vision for 30 seconds. You can maintain the vision for 60 seconds if possible. Close the eyes. Rub the palms. Make your palms like a cup. Rest it around the eyes. Rest the eyes for a minute. Come up gently. Bring the hands down. Open your eyes with few blinks. This is the end of this.